Hello, my little star. How are you all? Today we will start our last chapter, that is chapter 6. And the chapter name is Stepwise Thinking. In this chapter, we will learn about the first part, that is problem, and how to solve the problem and think about different ways to solving the problem. Now, first we will see what is problem. In a simple way, if I define the problem, is that a situation where we found something difficult and start analysis that what will be the output of this thing. That is problem. That is written over here also. And state where one has to take decision means a person has to take decision and need to process something to get the final output is called problem. Okay, means whatever we see in our daily life, many things are just like a problem, but when we start working on that, we get the solution. Yeah, in the same thing we also see here. Now see this chart. In this chart, first it is written problem, means a situation where we find something to do difficult. Okay, then if you find a problem, जब कोई problem होता है, then we start asking how, who, why, when, and another question is what if. नहीं तो मतलब अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो. Okay, and at the end when we find all this answer, we get the solution. This is given over here. Okay, so this who, why, how, when, what if, this is a way to just analyze the problem. जो प्रॉब्लम हमें आती है, ये एक तरीका है कि हम उसको एनालिसिस करें. एंड आफ्टर एनालाइजिंग दिस ऑल क्वेश्चन एंड गेटिंग द आंसर ऑफ दिस ऑल क्वेश्चन, we are going to have a solution. Okay, and after solution what we feel, aha, means a problem is there, a bulb enlightened, it gives solution, we feel wow, because the problem is solved. Now we will see some important techniques, you can say some 4 basic steps, you can say, to how to solve the problem. But before solving, we have to analyze that problem. Okay, I'll start with a simple example. Everyone like the cake? Okay, so I'll start with the cake. Okay, just example how to bake a cake. Suppose we want to prepare a cake. Now the question comes in mind, prepare a cake, but I don't know how to prepare a cake. This is the problem. Okay, this is the problem, that you don't know how to prepare a cake. Now we start analysis. How we will prepare a cake, what things we needed, what is the process to prepare a cake. Okay, so these are the questions comes in your mind gradually, one by one, एक एक करके आते जाते. And at the last, when you got the answer of all of this question, you are going to have a delicious cake. Yes, see, let's start it. So the first step to prepare a cake, that is collect all the ingredients and utensils required. Means whatever utensils we needed, we need a pan, a oven, or anything else, we need different ingredients. Okay, sugar, flour, many things. I also didn't make the cake, but I'll also learn how to make it, because this is the problem for me also. So in the first step, we found that for making a cake, we first need the utensils and the ingredient. Okay, now I have collected the utensils and the ingredient. Now we will move to the second step. In the second step, now after having the all utensils, after having all the ingredients, we have to know the correct procedure to prepare. How to make the cake, how to bake the cake, how to prepare the cake. Okay, we after knowing the correct procedure, yeah, we just started making the cake one by one, follow all the steps, and after following all the steps, we are having our delicious cake, because we follow the prepare procedure. And at last, when we got our cake, our third step is serving. बनाने के बाद हम टेस्ट भी तो करेंगे ना. This is also the step. So in the third step, we will see how how it's tastes to us, how we serve to other. Yeah, so this is the an example, a small example I have given, that the problem is how to make a cake. Okay, and the solution is we have got the delicious yummy cake. But within this problem and a solution, we got different question. Yeah, how we make the cake, what utensil required, what ingredients required, what is the process to make the cake. Yeah, and when we got all the answers of all this question, we are having our solution. This is problem and solution. And children, I'm not talking about this cake making, maggie making and all. I'm talking about the computer technology also. In computer system, computer also think step by step. Means you, if you have given the problem to the computer, the dear computer, we want the weather forecast. Okay, what is the weather outside and all. Many questions were there. So what computer do? Computer is a machine. How it don't know what is the temperature of the your room, what is the temperature outside. What it will do? It will connect to the internet and found the result in which area you are. Okay, means the problem कंप्यूटर गॉट दैट यू वांट अ वेदर फोरकास्ट कि आज धूप है कि नहीं, मौसम कैसा है, आज शाम को बारिश होगी कि नहीं. होता है ना, वी सी इन योर मोबाइल, वी सी इन योर कंप्यूटर दैट कल बारिश होगी कि नहीं. या सो व्हाट कंप्यूटर डू, इट स्टार्टेड एनालिसिस step by step. Okay, and it gives the solution. Now I'll tell you the 4 basic steps how to solve the problem. Yeah, let's get started with the step. I'll tell you one by one. The first step is define the problem. Means now our problem is, suppose I have taken the earlier example making a cake. Okay, my problem is making a cake. So first I got my problem, define the problem. I got my problem that I have to make a cake. Okay, we should focus on the input we have and exactly what output we need. My input is making a cake, and what output we need, I want a cake. Yeah, I want a delicious cake because I'm feeling so hungry to eat the cake. Okay, proper analysis will definitely minimize the expected steps of the process to be implemented. Means we have to think, yeah, for making a cake what we need, we have to proper analyze that. Okay, in the image you can see how it analyze it. We analyze something with the help of some questions: where, when, how, what, who, why. And when we got the answer of this question, we are ready to know about our problem. Now I'm going to tell you about the second step, that is generate alternative solution. Means if I am going to bake the cake, okay, now I can start having multiple solution. Okay, I can bake in cooker also, I can bake in oven also. Yeah, I can bake in different utensils also. But which one is better? When we got the different solution ना, जब हमें एक से ज़्यादा solution मिलते हैं तो हम उसके बाद analysis करना शुरू कर देते हैं कि which one is much better, किसमें time कम लगेगा, which take more time and all. Yeah, so what we do, we started evaluating. That is our third step. Evaluate and select alternatives. After generating more than one solution, we should evaluate. OW is written wrong here, please ignore. We should evaluate all alternative solution one by one to know its positive and negative both side. Means we are having different type of solution. Okay, and we can't solve a simple problem with every solution because every solution is not perfect. कोई एक solution होगा ना जो better होगा, सारे solutions better नहीं हो सकते. So we started analyzing that which one is a better one. Okay, and after evaluating all the solution, we will find the best among them. Means when we know about all the solutions, okay, we started analyzing all the solution, find the best. Now the third step is implement and follow up on the solution. We know our solution, okay, sorry, we know our problem. Okay, what is our problem? Then what we do, we started analysis, how it happened, why, what, if different questions are there. Okay, after having all the answers of this question, we started we are having to going to have different type of solutions. ओके एक ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. 1 solution, 2 solution, 3 solution, different types of solutions. And at the fourth part we are going to implement and follow up on the solution. So now it's time to implement the best. जो भी हमें बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन मिला है, solution 1, solution 2, solution 3, जो भी हमें उसमें बेस्ट मिला, हमने क्या किया, उसे इम्प्लीमेंट शुरू करने किया. और आफ्टर देन we got the solution. Yeah, इतनी देर में what I have said, problem solution, solution problem, problem solution. लेकिन what is problem and solution work in our computer technology? Do you know? Whatever question we did, if we did a small way, a small question, if you give a small question to the computer, dear computer, calculate this and this. Okay, just calculate 3 multiply by 2. Okay, a small mathematics solution I've given to you. Question 3 multiply by 2. Okay, actually children, computer never gave a solution promptly. तुरंत नहीं देता कि 3 multiply by 2. It started working on that. ओके लेकिन ये इतना फास्ट होता है, इतना सुपर फास्ट होता है, वी कांट इमेजिन. या हमारे सोचने भर से भी पहले ही वो आंसर दे देता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड सॉल्विंग टेक्निक, स्टेप वाइज थिंकिंग, स्टेप बाय स्टेप इट वर्क. या फर्स्ट इज फाउंड द 3 digit, then the multiply, then the 2. Okay, now I started multiplying in 3 multiply by 2. Okay, now I get the answer 6. Yeah, so step by step thinking not only important in our daily life but for our computer system also. Okay, I hope you have understood what is problem and what are the 4 basic steps we learned today about the problem. Analysis the problem, okay, and the 4 basic steps to solve a problem. Okay, and what are the 4 basic steps? That is, define the problem, generate alternative solutions, means knowing more than one solution, evaluate and select an alternative, means which one is better, we have to select first that, and the 4th one is implement the follow up on the solution, means whatever the best solution were there, we are going to implement that. Yes, these are the 4 simple steps. Define the problem, generate alternative solutions, evaluate and select an alternative, and implement and follow up the solution. Dear lovely children, this much is for today only, because I want you to just analysis about these 4 topics, and after that we are going to have very interesting topic of this chapter, that is algorithm and flowchart. Before that, read this topic one by one, all the 4 topics, what is problem, and see this video twice, thrice. Okay, and now it's time to solve the worksheet. We will meet soon. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.